Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Jay Sparks here. Today I'm about to go pick up some bags from North Carolina. This dude's like 3 hours away, selling me bags for my LS430 for an absolute deal. So me and my boy Olin, he's not in the car right now, but whenever he gets back, I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I want to make a video about this, showing y'all me getting the bags. I'm not gonna install them yet, but I'm gonna make a separate video on installing them. But here we go. All right, y'all. So it started raining, but here's the LS400. We're about to pull some car parts off from my boy Olin, and then he's trying to get the Y pipe, tail lights, and then spoiler. But also there's a dash cover that I'm trying to get, and I'll probably just re-dye it. But yeah, it's a black on black, pretty fire. He's about to start using the Sawzall, or not Sawzall, but the grinder tool, the grinder wheel to cut the Y pipe off, because it's like, of course, rusted on there. So he's just gonna chop it off. But yeah, I might get the rear bumper. I don't know yet. All right, y'all. So this is what we ended up getting. Got everything for $85. Got all 4 taillights for his 95 to 97 LS400. We got the black leather, what are these called? Huh? Floor mats? Floor mats. Yeah, black Lexus floor mats for my car. And then also found a black dash cover. So I'm gonna probably re-dye that and then see what I can do with that. But yeah, we plan on coming back here soon. Here's the car again. Yeah.
What else?
The Y pipe in the rear bumper, so I can do an extended bumper conversion. But like, look how muddy it is. My jellas are done for. Wait, can I even see the print though? But yeah, drove here in his car. My car started acting up. LS430 did at least. But yeah, we're about to get on the road, get some food, and then go from there. Hey y'all, so we just made it to get some food. Got the number two cars out here. We don't know who the 370Z is though, but yep. After this, we're about to go to hey, let me flip the camera. After this, we're about to go to North Carolina to pick up these bags, and then I guess I'll just record and stuff like that. But see y'all there. All right, y'all, just got the food, the fries, burger. All right, next clip will be us on the road. Y'all, we're about 30 minutes out. Boom. We were gonna use the restroom, but I guess they're closed. All the airlines, everything like that. It's brand new in box. I'll show you off when we make it back, but yeah. What's good, y'all? Here are the bags at AutoZone doing his sprayer thingies. I don't know. Got the bags. So excited. New video coming next week. Me installing the bags on my Lexus LS430. Let's go.
25, 8, 6, 7, 8 bands. I just asked my good Lord for another day.